Welcome to the Simply Made Fancy Instapot 7-Day Cooking Challenge. And here it is, my prized possession and what I'll be cooking with for the next 7 days. Can't wait to see what I create. So I got this Instapot from my wonderful husband. I've been wanting it for a while and he went out and got it for me from Sur La Table. It was on sale, so we got a good deal on it. And this is the Ultra 60 and it's the 10-in-1 and it's pretty much one of the higher ends of the Instant Pot, and it's the 6-quart pot. I didn't go with the 8-quart because that's a little bit too big and I don't have a lot of space in the kitchen, and then the 3-quart is just too small. So this was the perfect size for our little family. So I'm gonna get started and do some recipes using this for the next 7 days. Come and take a look inside. So it snaps up and then you have your pot, and then in here is the heating, and then it comes with this little rack and these little spoons, and of course a recipe booklet, the manual, and a couple of other instructions. So I'll be doing some of the recipes, testing them out from here, and then some recipes that I got from Pinterest or somewhere online. So when you're ready to cook, pretty much you have to just slide this in and then select what's your preference of cooking. You can do pressure cooking, you can do soups, meats and stews, bean, chili, steam, slow cook, saute, keep things warm, rice, porridge, multigrain, cake, egg, sterilize, and yogurt. I'm gonna try to use at least most of these features during my cooking challenge so we can test them all out and see how good this machine really is. So for my recipe today, since it's corn season, I'm gonna be steaming up some corn in the Instapot. So what you do is you're gonna put 2 cups of water and make sure that you have this or a steamer for vegetables. And then you're just gonna add your corn, close the lid. So we're gonna do steam. So we're just gonna go up to where the steam is, and then it says to put 12 minutes. So we're gonna hit that, and then it says 10 minutes already. Oops. Still trying to get used to it. So I got 12 minutes, then I hit it. And then I'm not gonna have it to keep warm. So I'm gonna go put that off, no delay, on high, and then make sure that this is sealed and get started. One thing about the Instapot that you guys should know is that it does do a preheating time aside from the cooking time. So that's what we're waiting for it to be preheating, and then it'll start counting down the 12 minutes for the corn to steam. So with my corn recipe that's in the Instant Pot, I'm gonna be making some churrascos and some grilled vegetables. So this is how I make my churrasco. I put some lime juice on it and then let it rest for a little bit so it can soak up that liminess. And then all that flavor right there that you see, it's magic. It's actually the McCormick seasoning. It has everything you need, and I find that it's perfect for churrasco or any type of grilling meat. And then my vegetables is pretty much red and green peppers and some onions. And all that I'm doing is that I'm gonna be putting some olive oil and some Himalayan sea salt and put it on the grill, and it's gonna be perfectly paired with the corn. Here I'm using a home grill. This is a cast iron. I got it at Home Goods and I love it. And all I'm gonna do is put my awesome meat right there. Maybe cook eating in no time. So very, very important. You see, I haven't flipped my steak until I know for sure that all the juices are up, have come up, and it's well cooked on the other side. It's a little bit medium like I like it. So I'm just putting it in the cutting board and letting it rest so the juices don't run out. And it'll be perfect. All right, let's check it out. We gotta do a quick release. Look at all that steam. All right, let's check on this corn. Oh, look at that. I think it looks like it's done. Now this is a very professional technique. You can also just toss them in a bowl, but I don't like them too buttery and they're really nice and sweet, so just a hint of butter is fine. Here we go, the first recipe, steamed corn from the Instapot, is complete. So now we're gonna have it for our delicious dinner, and come see what I got. We got the nicely grilled churrasco with some grilled veggies, some red and green peppers, some red onion, avocado, tomatoes, and some lime wedges to just sprinkle on everything. It's gonna be such a delicious dinner. And here we go, dinner is served. What do you think, guys? Thumbs up? Thumbs down? He's so silly. We're ready to eat. Yummy, yummy.
Yummy.